Greetings, Panzer. So today I'm going to show you guys, I started with 100 rand. I played a variety of games which you have seen the video. Then I will also put the video in this at the end of this video, so that if you want to review it, you can see it. So the video ended with 500 rand. So after that, when I was done with that, I did like my battery went off, and then I have to play again over and over. So I keep playing. Then I just want to show you guys what happens when I keep playing. So I was playing Siren spell with 5 friends. So this is what happens. I will take you the first step. This is what happens when I was playing with 5 friends. I got this with 5 friends. Then it was so massive. I was so happy. Then when it was this, I didn't stop playing. I keep on playing. Then that was a win, guys. I keep on playing again. I spin into a bonus. So this is the bonus that I spin into when I was playing with 5 friends. It was a 5 friend spin. So when I spin into this bonus, this is what happens, guys. So I was so happy, guys. So I was very happy. So I think it's good sometimes to play with a higher amount. So 5 friends is equivalent to 10 level bets. Was 10 level bets. That's a good name. Alright. So let's enjoy the video. So I think we managed to unlock not all of them, but we managed to unlock the first and second, if I'm not mistaken. I was very angry that we couldn't unlock the second one, the third one, because we were left with 3. But anyway, it was on profit. I made on this one. So I went home with 3,800. So you will see how that 3,800 comes. instead of those were 4 games, we should have unlocked this level, guys. I was shocked why it unlocked it. But we managed to grab another grab, which is plus 69. This is a 5 rand bet. This is a 5 rand bet. Which accumulate to 920. So as you can see here, my balance was now, if you can see, let me pause my video myself. So my balance here was almost 1 point. Let me not replay it. My balance there was 900 and something. So in total, guys, I managed to take 3,800 rand. So this is what happens that make it to 3,800. Let me just replay it for you guys. So you can see it was not a bonus, it was just a spin with 5 rand spin. You can see 300. If these two things here were not there, it was very massive. If it was only higher symbol payment, it was massive. So the time I was playing this race, I was playing this at around past 12 after it was at midnight. Then I took 2,400. Let me just do this replay for you guys again. Let me just do this replay for you to see it again. From 100 rand to 3,900, it was so massive. So as I said, guys, you can play with small amount, start with a small amount, but you can even make more money. So it was not only about making this 3,000. I went to real casino. I won around 5,000 something. The total amount that I was having, it was around 9,800 and something, which is closer to 10,000. So guys, I will catch you up in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay blessed.